Hello guys, in today's video I do have the AMAZFIT Up earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily charge your earbuds all the way to the cell. So as you guys can see here, we do have a phone. So that means that we can charge our device using our phone. If you do have a cable that fits into your phone and you know that this phone supports the reverse charging, it means that we can charge our device, but it has to have it in the ending of the USB Type-C. The first part, you have to plug to your phone charging port over here, and now the second part of it into your case over here. You should hear a click. And now as I can see here, we do have this orange light, which means that here we do have charging. Apart from that, we can just charge our device using the power brick, but that's a standard thing. You just have to plug your cable to the power brick, power charger, and then plug it over here. Now, as you can see, it's not charging. Wait a moment, because it didn't click. Here, now it does. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.